How to tax file from TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is choose the right TurboTax version. Now log into your TurboTax account. Then the first step is to enter your personal information such as name, social security number, and filing status. Now next step is to input your income. For this you want to select wages and income section. Now import your W-2 over here either automatically or manually. Then enter 1099 NEC or 1099K. Now input investment income such as stocks, crypto, and dividends. After this, you want to claim deductions and credits. For that, click on Deductions and Credits section. Now, TurboTax will guide you through standardized deduction or itemized deduction. TurboTax will then check for errors or missing info, maximize your deductions and credits, and offer tax saving tips. After this, you want to file your tax. Either you can e-file or print and mail your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.